private POM and PRC. Explain naman nila sa akin bakit na-name with Hell is due to difference of rating between 1 and 2. So, yun, na-alarm sila. So, ang defense naman ng BOM and PRC is during the investigation, wala silang information regarding the examinee. Ang nakikita lang nila is yung paper of the examinee and the result and the answers. Right? So, hindi nila alam kung sino itong si name with Hell. So, ang nakita lang nila is yung score. Na-alarm sila, bakit kaya ang taas ng score nila? Ayun yung explanation nila sa akin. Not because of not because of retake round, because of discrepancy between the first and the second.
So, do you have any idea kung ilan yung difference ng top 2 and top 1? Kung binanggit po sa'yo.
Yeah, may idea ako kasi meron naman yung rating na namin. So, ayun, kung makikita nyo online, yung rating namin is 5% difference.
So, saan nilang hit yun na?
Basically, sa record namin, sa record ng PRC, second take ko. Pero kasi, sa first take ko, bumagsak ako. Second take, no show ako. So, pag no show ka kasi, meaning, hindi ka talaga nag-take. So, hindi siya mare-record na second take. So, dun sa third take ko, basically, yun yung second take. Sa record ng PRC.
President kayo dito. President kayo dito sa
Yes. President ng born and raised dito sa Baguio.